Hi there, welcome to VISUKA, and in this video I am gonna tell you how you can pay your school fees with the help of our app. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So I am at the homepage of the app, and from here you have to tap on pay fee. And on this window, please select the month for which you want to pay the fee. Let us say April. And then tap on get fee. It may take some time to fetch your data. And here you can check your total fee, and by confirming it, tap on pay fee. It will take you to the bank's website, and now you can select the mode of your payment, and then please fill your credentials. And before proceed, please check I am not a robot, and then tap on proceed. Now you receive an OTP from your bank, and you have to copy paste it at the OTP input field and click on submit. Now your payment is successful, and you can view your receipt in fee receipt panel. So let us go there. Here you can see at second number there is a button of fee receipt. Click on that, and you can see that your latest receipt is at the top of the list and is in pink color. It is pink color because it is not validated from school side yet. It will take 1 to 2 days for validation. You can see that in status paid verification is pending. Don't worry, you have already paid your fees, but for security purposes, school will take 1 to 2 working days to issue you permanent fee receipt. After 1 to 2 days, your receipt color is normalized, and it means that your validation process is completed, and you can view your receipt by clicking that I button. And here you can see that status is validated. So that's it for this video, and if you find this video informative, please hit that like button and leave your valuable comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for latest updates.